I've been gone about a week or two, but I'm back here to give y'all a review of some recent pickups. And I'm trying to do about 2 or 3 videos today, but it's the first time seeing my channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on my content. All right, without further ado, let me show y'all what I got. All right, this is the Air Jordan 10 Shadow. This is pretty much a full-size box, full-size version of the box that originally came when it first released. Size 10.5. They retail for $190, suggested retail. All right, let's get into the shoe. Okay. First, open it up. You have this black plastic tissue sheet in here that I like. That's one of my favorite tissue they have in there. Other than, yeah, I like this. I think I prefer this over there than the wax. That wax tissue paper. Let's get into the shoe, y'all. All right, let's start back on the heel cup. Well, let's start right here, actually. This is our ankle collar. It is a black and gray checkered sock liner. This is a pretty sturdy pull tab right here that they have. Nylon pull tab with this patent leather ankle collar that curves across. The heel cup has this nubuck. I'm trying to see if this camera is picking up the brush strokes, but it's definitely a nice material. Let's see if I can see it right here. It's definitely a nice quality nubuck. We have this red logo right here. Black midsole that wraps around. All right, as we get into the lateral side, we have a patent leather that sits right on top of the midsole. Also, that patent leather that underlays the nylon speed lace system that goes across to the other side, to the medial side of the shoe. The nylon speed system is this bungee-like system that you can see on some of the earlier Air Jordan releases. They make it a nice fit on your feet. Let's pull over here to the medial side. There's nothing different on this side. Midsole. Let's get down to the outsole. The outsole has a black and shadow gray pattern along the bottom with Jordan's achievements. The red logo down there at the bottom, Jordan logo. Let's see what they have on the insole. The insole, it is red with the Nike Air logo on it. Of course, the classic tag that's on the tongue. These are made in China. Like I said, these are the 10.5s. This is the Air Jordan 10 Shadow. Tell me how you guys feel about these. I think Jordan knocked it out of the park with these. These, they did justice to the Air Jordan 10 OGs, and I like them. Yeah, I think this is like one of my very few pair of Air Jordan 10s, but I saw these and I definitely want to cop. If y'all have any more info you want to provide on the shoe, get in the comment box, like, share. Let's build up the Dino Wesson fam, and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my content that I upload. I might end up doing a fit for these, and I might also end up doing a are on feet for you guys. So y'all stay tuned. Dino Wesson, go.